Cheers. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Lyndsay Ray, and today we are outside of KFC / Taco Bell, but we're here for KFC. And I'm just looking on their app. Otherwise, I'll go through the drive-thru to see if there's any deals, like McDonald's has the deals. But we're here to try their nuggets. So their combo 8-piece nuggets with a drink and french fries and a biscuit is $8.89. I might get that, you guys. Oh, when you get a side, I could get mac and cheese or mashed potatoes. And I get a soda, but what I really want is a Diet Baja Blast. Last time I was at this Taco Bell, they did not have Diet Baja Blast. Sad. A regular 8-piece nuggets is $5.50. So, like, do I pay an extra $3 and get a soda and a side? I feel like I do. A drink is normally almost $3. Okay, let's just freaking go. I've never done drive-through video before. 12-piece combo. Okay, that's the same price. Includes fries, biscuit, and a medium drink. Like, it seems like a no-brainer.
Welcome to KFC Taco Bell. You can order when you're ready.
Hi, you guys have the nuggets in?
Yeah, I do.
Can I get the nugget meal, the, what is it, the smaller one?
What kind of drink?
Do you guys have Diet Baja Blast?
I only have Diet Pepsi.
Okay, I'll have a Diet Pepsi.
Okay.
And then, can I get 2 sauces?
Yeah, what kind?
I'll try the KFC and the Buffalo Ranch, please.
Anything else for you?
I'll just do the fries and the biscuit. That's it. Thank you.
$9.71 at the window.
Okay, thanks so much.
You're welcome.
We'll see how this goes. I'm nervous. Hi. That's Diet, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Awesome. Thank you. I'm such an awkward person. Okay. Okay, guys, we made it. Okay, so the combo was $8.39. I got 8 nuggets, the dip cup, 2 KFC sauces, fries, biscuit, medium Diet Pepsi. So total, it came to $9.71, which isn't really bad for all that food. Now, I've never had KFC fries before, so this is a first on all fronts. Also, I'm usually a Diet Coke gal, so we're gonna try this Pepsi out. I don't know. It's okay. Every time I get KFC, they give it to me in a Taco Bell bag. And every time I get Taco Bell, they give it to me in a KFC bag. I swear they are just messing with me. Or they mess with everybody. Ooh, this looks so good. Okay. So we got our French fries. We have our biscuit. We've got our chicken nuggets, which is why we're here. Ooh, I got 4 sauces because that's really nice. So we got the KFC sauce, which is like this color. And then the Buffalo Ranch, which is this color. All I had this morning was egg whites because I had to eat something, but I didn't want to spoil my appetite. So I am starving. Okay, let's get right into it. KFC chicken nuggets. The new KFC chicken nuggets. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Alrighty. They look like chicken nuggets. So I actually just uploaded. Ew, one of them looks like they were eaten. It probably was just like ripped or something, but they're little nuggets. They don't look like anything special. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 9 though, so. First impressions are, oh, frick, no, it's a big, oh, shit. Oh, no, do I eat it? Ew. All right, I'm putting this one to the side. I will likely still eat it because 5-second rule. Dang it. So yeah, anyways, first impressions, let's get a good close-up. They look just like average chicken nuggets. You know, they're all white chicken breast meat, so that's good. But they don't seem particularly special. Going to first try a French fry because I've never had their French fries, even though I just had a little nibble when I opened the package, but French fry. Seems like a pretty good fry. I don't really know people's opinions on their French fries, so cheers. Honestly, they're not bad. But now time to try the KFC chicken nuggets. I'm surprised they don't have chicken nuggets already. I know they have the tenders, but... All right, here we go. Chicken nugget. Cheers. They're really good. The breading is the perfect amount though because it is thin, and when I have chicken nuggets I really like want the chicken to shine. But the only thing is it's so thin, it's just not crispy at all. Like maybe this little piece is crispy because it's like, oh I'm a mess. Like that should be crispier. Okay. This is the inside though. It looks pretty good. It's light, it's good. I would not get these by themselves. These are not worth $5. I'm sorry. Go get a bag of frozen chicken nuggets and put them in the air fryer. But the combo meal for $8, it's a lot of food. So that to me, worth it. Okay, let's crack open one of these sauces. I've never had any of these. So the KFC sauce we'll have to try first because it's KFC. I literally bit into this chicken nugget and it just left the skin behind. Ew, ew. What is that? What is that? It's outside my car. Do you guys see that? Oh my God, that was a giant, nasty looking orange spider. Bugs! Okay, I'm almost done with my Diet Coke already. Pepsi. Let's try out this Buffalo Ranch. Ooh, this looks so good. So orange. Okay, let's try this with a French. No, this is a nugget video. We'll do it with the nugget. Dip, dip. Ooh, so yummy, so saucy. Ooh, that's really good. It almost looks neon in person. Like, that's how orange this thing is. Let me see if I can get a better shot. Do you guys see how, like, orange and neon that is? Compared to that one. French fries, chicken. Anywho. I'm gonna try the French fries now in the sauce. This is really good. I'm gonna try the KFC now. The KFC sauce with French fry. I like them both, but the KFC sauce is really good just by itself. Nice and sweet. Do I take them home to air fry them, and will they be better? I think I do. My judgment is they're fine. It feels just like a healthier chicken nugget because it's not as much breading. It's white meat, which I love all those things. I just wish it was a little bit crispier. And I don't think for the price it makes sense. Like, how much are McDonald's nuggets nowadays? Let me look it up. McNuggets. Okay, so a 4-piece McNugget is $2.49 at McDonald's. So if you were to get 2 of those to make 8 pieces, it would be $5. Which is just a little bit less than this. And to be honest, these are much better, in my opinion, than McNuggets. Okay. Putting this away, and I'll see you back at the house. Oh my God. Before I leave, I didn't even try the biscuit. It's falling apart. So buttery. Oh my... So much crumbs. So yeah, for 50 cents more, KFC all white meat. See you at the house. Alright guys, I am back with the nugs. We're going to put them in the air fryer and see if they're better. Sauce. Oh my God, no! Damn it! The sauce has exploded everywhere. Oh, I forgot to do like the most important part. This is what the picture looks like of the nuggets. Do you guys see that? They basically look like little baby KFC fried chickens. This looks nothing like that. Sorry, I'm trying to get you guys in the light, so hold on, bear with me. This just doesn't look like this. This looks like their fried chicken bucket and nuggets, and this just looks like smooth breading. I don't know. now that they're cold, throwing these in too. Got back our nuggets. They're crispity, crunchy up. Some accidentally coated in sauce. Some still pure and naked. So let's give the nudie one a taste test first. Put it at 400 degrees just for a minute so it can get crispy. Mm. 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 I have my thoughts. Let's try one that has the sauce in it. Air fried in either the Buffalo Ranch or the KFC. Can't tell. This is the weirdest bite of all time. I apologize. These nuggets are not like the double down or even I would say their regular fried chicken, where I definitely think it's worth it to eat it at home and put in the air fryer. It just makes such a difference with the crispiness of that chicken skin. But with something like this where these are just, you know, breaded, it's really just kind of breading, it's not crispy chicken skin. It just gets hotter. I mean, it's a little bit of a better crunch, but I wouldn't say it's necessarily worth it to go all the way home or wait till you get home to air fry it. It's not that big of a difference in the eating experience. Let's try it French fry though. Ooh. These French fries might be way better though in the air fryer. The proof is in the crunch, for sure. These were also fine, like straight out of the restaurant, but way better in the air fryer. These were fine right out of the restaurant, but not necessarily way better. Take it for what it is. Let's do another dip in the sauce. Look at that freaking color. It's good. These are good nuggets. I'm just used to making my own like chicken nuggets, I guess. And I feel like I do a pretty good job. So I'm just critical of fast food nuggets, but these are really good. These are probably the best nuggets I've ever had from a fast food restaurant. And now knowing how expensive McDonald's nuggets are now, I'm like, I guess they're not even overpriced. They're good. They're good, especially with this deal, no question. I want another dip in the KFC sauce because that shit was good. Mmm. All right, guys, I'm full. I don't know if I'm necessarily full. I take that back, but I'm feeling like, ooh, you know when you eat too much grease? I don't really eat this every day. I'm not a big fast food person. I tend to make everything at home. So when I do eat this, I feel it. But it was good. Wow. All right. I'll probably be munching on this later tonight. It is Thirsty Thursday after all. But leave me a comment below. Have you tried these yet? What were your thoughts? The last video I probably will have uploaded was yesterday, which was the quarter pounder video for McDonald's, my first time trying one. I also tried the Big Mac, and I also filmed a comparison, which is not up yet. But anyways, if you want to see any of those, check them out below. I also do home vlogs, cooking videos. My puppy is whining. He wants attention, so I'm gonna go play with him. But yeah, have a great day, guys. Leave me a comment. Please interact with this video. I miss doing videos and feeling like people watch them. Oh god, I gotta stop eating. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully something new and fun comes out that's in my town. But I'll see you later. Bye, guys.